on that fucking nigga shit.
Take a nigga, and then I pass it to the click. I say, see me, I ain't got no time for no bitch.
I just get it for the bros, I'm just worried about them chips. I'm a shot call, little nigga,
I'ma stay wild. Hot nigga, I belong in the dog out.
Shot call,
I'm a nigga, I'ma stay wild. Hot nigga, I belong in the. Bitch, I'm a beat. Bitch, I'm a G. Take that little bitch in and you know me. Alright. So look, we back with another video, man. We got this TAY-K versus NAHMIR video coming through. Before you look at me in the description, you know what time it is. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Yo, what's good, Daredevils? Whoa, wait, Daredevils.
I was just playing that.
Dirty headphone. Why do we call ourselves that? Alright, we call ourselves that simply because we want to focus on music this channel, and that's what you guys like, and we want to do what you guys like on this channel. But if you guys want to see more of us in the future, we might be doing the vlog channel. Today, the category we are doing is
TAY-K versus YBN NAHMIR.
Why are we doing that category though?
Because they got like a little. They don't really
I'm pretty sure TAY-K gonna win.
They got a little thing going on.
Tension, you know what I'm saying? TAY-K want to give him the hands behind the bars, but he can't. So that's why we're doing that category. I really want to know your guys' opinion in the comments. Like, who do you really think is a better artist? All right, man.
Bro, this song this nigga made bounce, bro.
Dante goes first.
That song A1. I ain't gonna hold you.
Oh wait. Before we get into it,
oh my god,
you can get these custom vans at crowddrop.com. Guys, check it out. We got Supreme vans, any type of vans, off-white vans, crowddrop.com.
I ain't gonna lie, them vape ones though was nice.
All right, y'all ready?
Yes, sir.
All right, first song. Gotta start off strong.
That's what I thought you said. Now let me offer this as a rebuttal.
Gang. Where you been at? I've been pressing the breeze.
I've been running up a check, that's why these bitches on me. I've been cooling, laying low, but I'm not taking the seat. But just know a nigga back in this time
I won't leave. I've been running. Gotta take me back. I got hundreds on my, and I got shoes on my. Niggas let it bang like a tape, but he keep a K, but he ain't take K. That nigga. Another realist. G's with them yiggies.
That's hard. That little intro.
Yeah.
Did you guys know? Fun fact: he got that beat off YouTube. My turn.
Right,
I gotta play TAY-K, right?
What TAY-K song you about to play?
Wait.
He won. I didn't like a mango, mate. I smoke mango, mate. You come with the juice, then you back to where you came from. Niggas quick to change. If he act mysterious, he get hit with a right. You looking like, hey, back to where you came.
I don't want to smooch, bitch, I really want the brain. I just get a stain, now your bitch wanna claim me. Just open up your mouth in the better piece thing, nigga. Like I'm Mega Man, I smoke Mega Man.
TAY-K won. TAY-K won.
If he had mysterious, he get hit with my right. So he plays his artist.
TAY-K won.
My artist, and the two in the back get to decide who wins.
Hold up, bro. Look, before they tell who they think who won, who do y'all think won? I say TAY-K won, my nigga. Like that Mega Man. If y'all ain't never heard Mega Man, go listen to that, bruh.
And then it rotates. Whoever loses out of us is eliminated.
Yeah,
Pointing to the loser.
Pointing to the loser. All right. Who know? Lose? Sorry, man. I'm not confident in this, but I'm confident in this.
What?
That made no sense.
Chopper with a scar and a. She say she was asleep. She say TAY-K no woke. Come here, bitch. Come here, bitch.
Chopper with a stock, it's gon' click, but it won't hurt. Turn this bitch sideways.
Rip it like some homework.
I don't wanna call it with the thought I'm tryna bone her. She throw the pussy on me like I put it in the corner. I made a movie with a hard star. She said I cloned her. She got Stussy on deb. It's basic and it won't work. Every slug hot like a rapper at a concert. She said peace getting clear like some poker. I said yes, then it said her you a smoker. Chopper with a stock in a dick and a scope. Run up on the TAY-K.
You ain't running, you gon' float.
Song is vivid.
Hey.
I'm just gonna have to play it. Hey.
You a cheater! You a cheater! Bitch, then I click. I say, yeah, I ain't got no time for no. This nigga won! I'ma stay hot. When my wrist goes, yo, boss, with that fofo. That's a no. Off tops, new chain, and my wrist goes. Loaded up, still bounce with that fofo. Stop it, niggas knowing that I drop shit. It pop quick, cause the niggas that I rock with. Said I gotta keep a chopstick. I'ma still blow that bitch. What's the best part? Bitch, I'm a G. Bitch, I'm a G.
I was gonna stop it. Come on.
That nigga won.
I already know how this is gonna go. You know, good job on the channel. You know, your tape always fresh. Damn, you, man, you just cool. So,
me and Dante pointing at the loser. 1, 2, 3, boy, get out of here, boy. Buzzard.
This is the right video.
There's no way I can lose with this.
I have an idea.
I'm a TAY-K, I don't think you want no action. You want action, you get turned into passion. Your boy's deep, well, let's get to subtracting. Smith and Wesson made my night with some compassion.
I was trying to beat a case. I did the race. Skirt, skirt. Lose every day. Hold up, bro. Before we start, before we continue this video, I know you're not getting lit. I can feel you. My nigga senses is tingling right now. My nigga senses is tingling. I know you just sitting there watching. You better get lit, my nigga. It's Sunday. We got school tomorrow. You better, bro. You better get right, my nigga. What do you think about today? In his motherfucking face. Wanna go that way. Gotta go that way. Get the packet, you get robbed for your rating. I'm a TAY-K, I don't think you want no action. Huh? You want action, you get turned into packet.
Play the song for the culture.
All right, go ahead.
It's the race.
What?
Oh, he disrespectful.
I ain't gotta be no case, niggas snitching on a number, watch them bullets hit his face. Watch I put you in your motherfucking place. To some chicken, watch them bullets hit his prize. On the boss, I ain't take no loss, but I take your life. I'm laughing in that bitch and then I'm sitting in that kite. What you think I bought this gun for? I ain't tryna fight, try to diss me in a song, I better not shoot against you, right? If you talkin', we pop up, we clapping. They say my name still free TAY-K.
Heard that? Still free TAY-K.
Bro,
Exactly.
I don't know, man. This is the tie. This is the tie.
Oh, who lost, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uno.
Before you say anything, remixes are never better than the original. I already know.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, get out.
Man, it was a tie, bro.
Talk his way out.
What's so funny? You're second to last.
Ooh.
You still last though, don't matter.
Hey, you're my brother. You're like my brother though.
I'm still ahead of you though, it don't matter.
We're both at the
Get in the back.
You're coming with me.
We better play some bangers for the last one.
I'll go.
It's that TAY-K.
Bitch trying to get wiped with my dick, she can get up. Smoke about a dot, if you want it, we can get up. Locked down on the boot, bullet TAY-K has to get up. Bitch with my loot, what she want, she can't get none. Chicken noodles.
So,
I don't want no love, bitch, I'm trying to get a nut. Fuck buying that shit, nigga, we gon' lose some.
I forgot the name of this song, though.
Nigga, we gon' lose some.
He got a wig on. It's Lemonade, I remember. In your system. In my system. Hey, I drink in my system.
Alright, let's get it.
What? Yeah, what? Oh, you disrespectful. He won. Hold up. Hey,
Why you niggas on some bro shit? My brother's
Got that nigga Jay?
nigga on
I'm
that
good,
whole shit. Internet shooters, man, these niggas ain't gon' blow.
Oh shit.
If I move a rapper, you get dog, bitch. Had to cut him off, cause niggas snitching on that
Oh
whole
shit.
I'm about to cheat in the car, your bitch shit, not tryna check on my top. My brother just burned out the lot, had to go cop a phone just to jump at the top. I gotta watch for the ox, put a drum on the Glock, there's a whole 100 shots. Niggas won't beef with they gang on the web, but whole time
Hey,
telling the cops.
hey.
In the
back.
Whenever you thinking I'm lagging, bitch,
Taking no time. I ain't no ramble shit.
Bitch, I be letting
Nigga, back, yes, it is.
guns, cause it's hard on the how you want smoke with the game, but you stay put up, nigga, you don't want static. Ran up the length for the week, letting I'm driving and he almost you niggas this is for fame. You niggas really be lame. If I catch you,
They rubbing off the paint.
you with that drop through, I'ma have a nice day. This ain't no Mickey D's, I turn your image to my dumb to dance, your bitch on my dick like a fan. I feel like TAY-K, I just did the race, cause I had to run up the band.
Can I play one track though?
Bro, I say that nigga won with TAY-K.
This doesn't go for anything.
I never heard
TAY-K crying in prison. Nobody has this.
Is this real?
Yeah,
Let me see
bro.
the time of this.
Nobody has
see
this.
this on your phone.
This is right after he got the death sentence, bro. Well, not death sentence, but the life sentence. Yeah.
Sound like TAY-K.
First of all,
That don't even sound like it.
That don't sound like TAY-K.
No, no.
We had to go, man. We had to go. Nigga, we had to go. But look, tell me who y'all think won, bro. Do you think the TAY-K won or the NAHMIR? I say overall, I don't know. I like both of them. Like, real talk, if I had to choose though, I'd probably say NAHMIR won, but then like they got that Mega Man. So like, I don't know, man. Comment down below who y'all think is a better rapper overall, bro. Make sure you drop a like if you enjoyed this video. If you was lit through the entire video, drop a like, subscribe, comment, share, and I'm out.
I ate at your house.